Hi everyone, welcome to our brand new summer science series called Steampunks. I'm Miss Randy and today we're going to be doing chromatography. In this particular series we're going to be doing different experiments that we found in some of our e-resources like Science Flicks, Scholastic Teachables, and Science Reference Center. We're also going to be focusing on experiments that we have found in the books that are in our collection. So let me show you what we need to get started. Okay everyone, let me show you what you're going to need for the experiment today. As I said earlier, we are going to be doing a chromatography experiment. So this is a technique where we are separating a mixture into its individual parts. And we are going to use a marker for this project, a washable marker. So some inks are made up of more than one color. So we are going to try different markers and determine what colors actually are in this black washable marker. The other things that you're going to need for this, you're going to need something that is absorbent. So you can use plain coffee filters, or you can use paper towels. Today I'm going to be using coffee filters. So I also have my black marker here. I do have a ruler just in case. I have a glass jar. This is all I had on hand. You can obviously use anything that is clear so you can watch your experiment as it happens. So a glass, a Dixie cup that is clear, something like that. And then you are going to need water. You're also going to need a pair of scissors. The other thing that you're going to need is either a pencil or a straw. We are going to cut our coffee filter into strips, tape it to either the straw or the pencil, and we're going to balance it on top of our jar so that our coffee filter strip is touching the water. So let's get started. So the first thing that we want to do in our experiment is take our coffee filter or paper towel and cut it into strips. I've already done that. So I have a strip that's about 6 inches long and about 1.5 inches wide. And what we're going to do first is actually cover our work surface. So I'm going to put a paper towel down and put my coffee filter strip on top. So I have my black marker, and it's just a plain Crayola washable marker. You want to make sure that it's washable and not a permanent marker. So you want to make a line, and this is where the ruler comes in. You want to draw a line about 1 inch from the bottom. And we kind of want to make it a thick line, just like that. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use a pencil. And we're going to tape, I have some Scotch tape here. I'm just going to get a piece of tape and I'm going to tape my coffee filter strip to the pencil. And this is so we can suspend it over the jar. Next step is to grab your jar or glass or whatever it is that you're using and fill it with water. You don't have to fill it too high. You just want to make sure to rest your coffee filter strip in the water. You do not want the black line in the water, touching the water at all, because what is going to happen is this is absorbent. So the water is going to travel up the strip, and as it travels up the strip, it's going to start wetting this dry ink, and we're going to be able to see as the colors expand and see the different colors that have gone into making up this black marker. So my strip was a little long, so I actually trimmed it a little bit. We just want to make sure that like I had said, that the paper strip is just resting in the water, not touching the ink. So We're going to get started. I'm going to drop this in and we're going to see what happens. Black ink is made up of many pigments blended together. Pigments are the things in ink and paints that give them their color, and they all have their own unique physical and chemical properties. Chromatography separates the different pigments because each pigment has their own density. This is creating a watercolor effect as the pigments separate and travel at different speeds. This black Crayola marker appears to be made up of blue and red pigments. Experiment on your own at home by testing out different markers. Try to find 2 different types of black washable markers. What are your results? Try testing out different colors. Try 2 colors at once. Have fun conducting your own experiments. Well, that's all the time we have for today. We hope you have enjoyed this project. To check out more events that are happening this summer, visit our events calendar at fountaindale.org/events. You can also visit our YouTube channel to view other programs that we have done, including our Teen Craft Afternoon series at fountaindale.org/YouTube. We'll see you next time.